Hi everyone, after almost 2 years of preparation we are finally here on the northeast coast of Bali in Indonesia. The first part of the project, cleaning session in the Twilight Zone, is about to officially start tomorrow. It will be a 2 weeks field work with deep dive to 100 meter and water parameter measurements every day, but the project will last a year in total. So there will be other field work conducted later during the year. The main objectives will be to investigate and document the deep reef ecosystems here in Bali and to see if the bumphead sunfish population are here all year round or if they are here only during the so-called Mola season, roughly extending between August and November every year. We will also obviously investigate the potential existence of deep cleaning station for these emblematic species. So what is a cleaning station? A cleaning station basically is a place that marine animals are visiting to be cleaned by other marine animals. Those cleaners in tropical environment are usually reef fish such as wrasses or gobies or shrimp species, and the client will be a wide variety of marine animals such as fish, but also marine mammals, turtles, invertebrates, and so on. These mutualistic interactions where you have cleaners removing parasites or cleaning the wound of clients are well documented in shallow reef, but deeper than 30 meters it is poorly known, simply because it's very difficult to conduct scientific survey deeper than 30 meters with regular scuba diving equipment. There are a couple of papers on it, but it's still very limited. So this is why for this project we will use closed circuit rebreathers that will allow us to dive deeper and stay longer underwater by recycling the gas we are breathing. It's also very important and interesting for fish behavior observation, since we don't make any bubbles, we don't scare the fish away. So to our knowledge, this project is the first of its kind, focusing on this topic at those depths ranging between 60 to 100 meters. So it's very exciting, very challenging as well. Especially considering the weather, because right now we are still in the rainy season here in Bali, so it's quite unstable, and we hope rains and bad visibility won't impact too much the work that we have to do here. Tomorrow will be the first official dive on the project, and it will be focusing on deploying temperature loggers at 3 different depths, 30, 65 and 100 meters. These loggers will stay a whole year underwater, monitoring and logging temperature data at a fixed interval. Bye bye!